हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज की वीडियो है गेट रेडी विथ मी वाइल आई टॉक अबाउट माय बोर्ड जर्नी एंड माय फर्स्ट सीयूईटी एग्ज़ाम एक्सपीरियंस। सो बेसिकली कल मेरा सीयूईटी एग्ज़ाम था ऑफ ज्योग्राफी एंड हिस्ट्री एंड मैं बहुत बोर हो रही हूँ आज। सो आई विल डू माई मेकअप टुडे बिकॉज वाई नॉट, आई एम जस्ट सो बोर्ड। मैं शाम से पढ़ने बैठूँगी एंड देन आई विल टेल अबाउट माई बोर्ड एक्सपीरियंस, दैट हाउ मच मार्क्स आई गॉट, मेरी जर्नी कैसी रही है, हाउ आई प्रिपेयर्ड एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So my board exam marks are as follows here, and my overall marks are 90.6. As you can see, I have scored the highest in geography, which I did not expect at all, because मैंने estimate किए थे around 89 or 91, maximum 92. I did not expect at all कि मेरे 97 आएंगे जोग्राफी में. एंड आई वॉज सो शॉक द डे जिस दिन मुझे पता चला, लाइक ऑन 13th में. एंड देन द ओनली सब्जेक्ट आई एम लिटिल डिसअपॉइंटेड अबाउट इज इंग्लिश, बिकॉज आई थॉट कि 93 आएंगे. आई कैलकुलेटेड और एस्टिमेटेड लाइक 93 और समथिंग, बट इट्स ओके. एंड आई एम कम्प्लीटली सेटिस्फाइड विद इको, बिकॉज आई नो कि मेरे इको में कितने आते थे. सो आई एम सेटिस्फाइड विद इट. About political science, my favorite subject ever. I am like okay and I am relieved in fact, because मेरा political science का पेपर उतना अच्छा नहीं गया था. And political is like my life, like I can do anything for it. I love that subject. So considering कि मेरा favorite subject अच्छा नहीं गया, it was a little disheartening, but I was like कोई बात नहीं, देखते हैं हम कितने आएंगे. And I in fact just hoped कि 90 touch कर जाएँ, and I got 91, which I am happy and relieved about. Then we have history 93, and the thing is I always somehow get more marks in history as compared to political science, even though it's my favorite subject, even though I work hard in political science, but I don't know कैसे होता है ये. So I predicted कि मेरे बोर्ड में भी political science में कम आएंगे हिस्ट्री से, which in fact turned out to be true, because मेरे history में 93 and political science में 91, and I was like predicting 91 something in history, so I got 93, which I'm like good. And yeah, my overall percentage is 90.6. अब basically what happened on 13th May. So मैं सुबह पढ़ रही थी because on 15th I had an exam. So I was studying geography or history I think, and then I was on a call with my friends. हम 4-5 लोग like बात कर रहे थे, एंड वी वर सेइंग कि कब CBSE रिज़ल्ट अनाउंस करेगा, कब अनाउंस करेगा. एंड वी वर सो लाइक यू नो इरिटेटेड कि कब आएगा रिज़ल्ट. देन वी वर लाइक टॉकिंग एंड फिर हमने what happened was that हम लोग यही बात कर रहे थे, and then one of my friend pranked us कि रिज़ल्ट आ गया, बट नहीं आया था. बट देन आफ्टर फ्यू मिनट्स we talked for like 50 minutes or something, and then फिर एंड में रिज़ल्ट आ गया, and 2 of my friends left the meeting. We were like what happened just. फिर हमने चेक करा, and yeah, the result was out. I just took my admit card and my father said कि चेक करो कितना आया है, and I entered the things details. First I checked on Umang app because CBSE की वेबसाइट पे लिंक अब तक लोड नहीं हुई थी. So I was like oh my god, let me see. Yeah, so I was saying कि फिर I saw my marks and I calculated it. Actually my father did, and I was like scared कि कितने आएंगे, बस 90 टच हो जाए overall. I was really hoping that. But, and you know what guys, I saw 67 in geography and I was like wait a second, what just happened. Then I saw okay, it's out of 70, and I was like oh my god. Then we were calculating and फिर मेरे 90.6 आया, and I was like thank god. And then yeah, फिर हम लोग शाम को गए to my bua's house, and like just we distributed sweets, and we were happy. Then my mother came, she went out for some work, so वो आई, and I told her, and she was also really happy. And the fact guys that my little sister, who is just 9 years old, going to be 10 this month, she was so happy about my result that she told her friends, her teachers and everyone कि मेरे दीदी कितने आए हैं. And I was like this is so cute. And the fact that मैं अपनी बहन से पढ़ती थी, नॉट एग्जैक्टली लाइक वो मुझे नहीं पढ़ाती थी, बट आई यूज टू गिव हर माई बुक एंड से कि ये वाला क्वेश्चन पूछो, एंड द फैक्ट दैट द questions she asked in fact did come. I don't know how many times I've used the word in fact. Comment down below. It's my favorite word, I think. So yeah, then I was like happy, and then my friends came and result puche and they also scored good. I was so happy for them. And one of my friend who was in the call with me in the morning, as I told, she's in my group, so she topped, like she got 98.8, and we were so happy कि my group में से someone topped, and another of my friend also topped. So we were like happy for everyone. And then yeah, my board journey, my school journey was over. Now how did I prepare for it? So exactly in January we had the practicals before our farewell, so I was like preparing for it. मैंने अपने जो क्या कहते थे we have the, what do we call that, I'm glitching right now. Yeah, the practical files, the practical files वो मैंने गर्मी की छुट्टियों में प्रिपेयर कर ली थी, बिकॉज वी ऑल न्यू कि फिर बाद में टाइम नहीं मिलेगा एंड इट विल बी रियली टफ टू डू ऑल दीज थिंग्स. सो देन आई वॉज लाइक रिलीव कि मैंने काम कर लिया है. बेसिकली आई वुड सजेस्ट यू ऑल टू जस्ट go with the NCERT, and instead of sample paper I would suggest कि sample paper कर लो, 1-2 कर लो. Do previous year questions more. Like previous year questions करने से एक आइडिया लग जाता है कि what's the level, किस लेवल का प्रिपेयर करना है, किस तरीके से करना है. Do you 100%, वो एक आइडिया लग जाता है कि what type of questions come. Sample paper just prepares you for the like I think time limit में रहना है and all that. And yeah, I would suggest that for it. बाकी if you are from humanities, do your map properly, because that just gives you in geography 10 marks straight away, and in history 5, in political science 4. So अपने map को strong कर लो, and basically if you know the states properly एक idea लग ही जाता है. state भी पता हो तो you can easily do it. And just go with the flow, ask your teachers doubt, attend the extra classes. You know what, I used to message my geography teacher at 1:30 am or something like that about my doubts, and she used to reply instantly. And she's my favorite teacher along with my political science teacher, because like our geography teacher was so supportive. She still is, and she always used to like help us कि कोई doubt हो, yeah, irrespective of whether it's related to geography or not, irrespective of it's related to school or not, she always used to help us. Guys, in our 12th class, like in the starting of 12th class, हमारी geography की I think 3 teachers change हुई थी. like जो हमें geography 11th में पढ़ाती थी उनको like I think कहीं और जाना पड़ा था, so she could not teach us anymore. But we were like 2-3 महीने खाली थे हम लोग, and we were like so bored. But finally when we found a teacher, she was so nice, she's so supportive, and she's like the sweetest teacher of all times. So yes guys, I was talking about my school journey. Then the second part of this video is my CUT examination, which was yesterday. And so what basically happened was that I had the second shift from 3 to 5, and my exam was of geography and history. So I woke up at 6:30 in the morning, and I was preparing, and the last night I slept at 2 a.m. So I was really like in a sleepy mood. But the moment that we entered the examination hall, my sleepiness was in the air, like went out. And then we were like allotted a particular computer, and we had to sit there for like 51 minutes. I counted that. Actually it was on the screen because we arrived early. Then we were given like 60 minutes for each subject, and I like was solving the questions. And there was like the history paper was okay and the geography paper was okay, both were good actually. And I would suggest you all to deep to do deep reading, because there were few questions that were like in the middle of sources, or like a small box or something. And in history there were many questions from the timelines, then 4-5 questions I think. Then we have the in geography, what I expected was that we will get too much of specific, detailed, precise questions like what is the percentage of urban population in the state or something like that, but it didn't happen, so we were lucky. I found the geography paper easier than the history one, but both went good, so let's just hope that the results are also good. And my next 3 exams of English, Political Science and GAT are on 29th, so I will just start preparing for it from today evening. One thing I would like to say for CUT is, for board I suggested to do PYQs, but for CUT I will suggest to do, you have to like do the PYQs also, but focus more on sample papers, because CUT का पैटर्न बदलता रहता है. लाइक लास्ट ईयर और लास्ट ईयर इंग्लिश में फॉरेन वर्ड्स बहुत आए थे, बट आई थिंक दिस ईयर द फॉरेन वर्ड्स डिडंट कम एट ऑल, और लाइक वो वेरी फ्यू. सो PYQs भी करो, बट एट द सेम टाइम डू सैम्पल पेपर्स ऑल्सो, मॉक टेस्ट बेसिकली. एंड आई वुड सजेस्ट कि ऑनलाइन मॉक टेस्ट लो, बिकॉज उससे प्रैक्टिस हो जाती है. आई एक्चुअली बॉट 5 मॉक टेस्ट फॉर ईच सब्जेक्ट, एंड उसका जो इंटरफेरेंस था, लाइक द लेआउट ऑफ द स्क्रीन, वो बहुत सिमिलर था CUT के एक्चुअल लेआउट से. सो मुझे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई. टेक्निकल डिफ़िकल्टी आई डिडंट फेस एट ऑल. देन फॉर बोर्ड्स आई वुड सजेस्ट कि लाइक डू सैम्पल पेपर करो. एंड बोर्ड्स में MCQ आर नॉट दैट स्पेसिफिक, स्पेशली इफ़ यू आर इन 12th. फॉर ह्यूमैनिटीज़ आई वुड से हिस्ट्री के बहुत स्पेसिफिक नहीं थे, but specific in the sense they were not numerical data based, but they were like statement based more, like assertion reasons की practice करो. and statement based questions बहुत थे, I think geography में 4-5 something like that. and map का तो I have already said. बाकी practice writing questions, long answers में marks easily मिल जाते हैं if you know the main points. and short answers, usually I find the short answers little difficult than the long answers, because क्योंकि उसमें marks easily like कम marks के होते हैं तो फिर वो tough बना देते हैं. and the long answers are like, अगर आपको history में like the long answers of 8 marks आपको 6-7 points भी आते हैं अच्छे से, और आप थोड़ा लिख देते हो तो 8 you get full marks. so this is my eyeshadow palette, जो कि थोड़ा ऊपर से टूट रहा है, but I think I will do this color, ये वाला. It's like rose gold kind of, and मेरा favorite shade है. I never dare to try the darker shades because वो मेरे पे अच्छे नहीं लगते. so yes, I was talking about CUT. so कल जब मैं एग्ज़ाम दे रही थी, there was this girl beside me जो कि बहुत बोल रही थी. she was just like going चपड़ she was going, and she was like a chatter box. सो वो बोलना बंद ही नहीं कर रही थी. एंड देन फिर हमारा एग्ज़ाम स्टार्ट हुआ, एंड देन फाइनली वो बोलना बंद की. सो CUT एग्ज़ाम में व्हेन यू आर ऑन द गेट, वहाँ पे भी आपको एक लाइक एक अंकल या कोई भी मिलेगा जो कि थंब प्रिंट करवाने में मदद करेगा. एंड देन व्हेन यू एंटर, चेकिंग वगैरह होती है, स्टैम्प लगाते हैं, एंड देयर आर मैनी थिंग्स. सो मेक श्योर टू नॉट वेयर एनी ईयरिंग्स वगैरह या एनी मेटल थिंग्स, क्योंकि मेटल डिटेक्टर से चेक किया जाता है. एंड या सो आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट गर्ल. सो जब हमारा एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म हो गया, कुछ बच्चों का 3 घंटे का एग्ज़ाम था. सो द इन्विजिलेटर वाज सेइंग अस टू बी क्वाइट, एंड स्पेशली वो लड़कियाँ बहुत ज़्यादा बात कर रही थी. तो इन्विजिलेटर ने उनको बोला कि अगर आप थोड़ी देर और बात करोगे तो हम आपको 3 घंटे तक बैठा के रखेंगे. एंड आई वाज लाइक, बढ़िया, इनको 10 घंटे तक बैठा के रखो, बट हमें तो छोड़ो. एंड देन हम लोग बाहर आए, देन आई रीच्ड होम, एंड मैं घर आते ही सो गई. आई स्लेप्ट फॉर लाइक 2-3 गुड आवर्स, एंड इतनी थक गई थी मैं, आई वॉज सो स्लीपी दैट आके मैं सो गई. फिर उठी मैं, फिर देन आई वॉज लाइक, बताया मैंने ढंग से पेपर कैसा गया है एंड ऑल दैट. देन टुडे आई वॉज जस्ट बोर्ड बिकॉज मैं शाम से पढ़ने वाली थी. सो आई डिसाइडेड वाई नॉट टू शूट अ वीडियो, बिकॉज काफ़ी टाइम हो भी गया है. एंड I am not able to shoot my CUT preparation video just like I did for boards, because CUT preparation video is not possible to shoot. अगर आप preparation कर रहे हो तो shoot नहीं कर पाओगे, shoot कर रहे हो तो preparation नहीं कर पाओगे. So there will be one thing only. So I took a break, and now I'm going to apply this eyeshadow. When I was younger, eyeshadow used to be my favorite makeup product, but now it is replaced by lip gloss. I love that. So guys, I have done my one eye makeup. I don't know if it's visible or not. And I'm just eating watermelons now and watching a Barbie movie side by side. It's tasty and juicy. And I've also sprinkled salt on it. I think watermelon is better with salt comparing it alone. Like, it's better.
Going to be a bit different around here now, starting with your attire.
So guys, I have done my eye makeup. The liner is remaining abhi, but you can see probably. And abhi I'm going to like draw the eyeliner. Then my lip balm is remaining, and a couple of things are there to do. So let's get back to it again. So guys, one tip I would like to give you all is, when you use the foundation, apply it like I said, dot, and then take few like one pump, just a little bit pump of your moisturizer and apply it between thoda like your foundation. उससे क्या होता है, foundation doesn't become the very cakey, and फिर वो अच्छे से spread होता है, smooth लगता है, like the way a BB cream does work, which I don't have, so I use this technique. Second one is, I have a lot of lip balm. Like अगर मैं निकालने बैठूँ तो I have a lot of, which I have I think shown in my previous video. So what I do is, सबसे पहले start say like when I wash my face, then I apply this Borolin, ताकि जब तक and also apply it at night. And I was saying कि जब तक मैं और मेकअप करूँ, my lips get a little bit smooth and healed. And then बीच में I use this, मतलब if half of my face is done, then I use this. And then after that, at the end, I use this and this. It's like कि दोनों का shade बहुत अलग है, but still इसको I like apply it a little because it's very pigmented. And then to give that shine, I use this cute सा lip balm. So abhi I'm going to apply my eyeliner, which is a very tough task. So I will not talk while I'm doing that. I will just play the video in time lapse. And guys, our geography teacher has said कि she will give us a treat after our CUT ends, because she is really happy कि हम सब geography students के 90+ आए हैं. Like when I was talking to her on call, I could sense her happiness. So guys, I have done my eyeliner. It looks like this. I did this eye like in one go, but इस वाले में I took 5 minutes because I couldn't get the wing right. Like this one, it's really pretty. And now I'm going to do my lip. So first I will once again apply this lip balm, then I will apply a little bit of this, then my lipstick, then again. So let's get back to it. As I was talking about my journey, I changed my school in 11th class. I was in another school till 10th. So these 2 years of 11th and 12th feel very like, oh my god, where is my lip balm? I found it. So it felt like these 2 years just went in so quickly. Like 2 years feel like 2 weeks or something. And it was a great journey. We had so much fun, me and my friends, in these 2 years, and I made amazing friends. So I've applied this, but I think I've applied a little too much, so I have to just smudge it out or something, because otherwise I look like an auntie, which I don't want to. And I just use this for tint, like, you know, just to give those lips a little rosy look. My camera is fluctuating again and again. You can see it's now, the light is not just lighting, you can say. And yeah, I have to apply this a little more. I was talking about my experience. So my experience has been really good in this school, and I made amazing friends, as I said. So I'm very thankful to have them. And about my new journey, I'm excited for that as well, because why not? Like, I would be going into college, and I just turned like 17 in April, so I'm 1 year younger than I should be, which gives me 1 year advantage. So that's a great thing. And I've decided that I will wear kurtis in college, because obviously our culture, which I love a lot and respect so much. I will probably wear western clothes sometimes, but kurtis are so nice. And I don't know if you guys can see or not, but let me just take it like this. Yeah, it's looking better in real life. I will just tone it down a little because it's a little too much, but yeah, this look is nice. So I apply this lip balm on my cheeks as well, because I don't have a blush, and the blush which I do have is very auntie wala blush, and I don't want to look like an auntie. Yes. So I apply this here and here also to give that, what do I say, Korean look or something. And it's not really visible abhi, but I will show in the whole look. Let me just do it on this side as well. So guys, my makeup is almost done. Abhi I'll just apply this powder once. Either I will apply this one or the compact powder, and then I have to clean this mess up, because yes, I have made a mess. And it's looking nice. Matlab, I have applied the eyeshadow, but it's very, what I used to do earlier was like eyeshadow पूरा पेंट की तरह थोप देती थी, which did not look good at all. So अब मैंने हल्का हल्का लगाया है, and right now I'll just do the powder thing once again, and then I will show you the final look. So guys, here is my final look, as you can see, hopefully. And here's my lip makeup, which I think is looking better than my whole makeup. Anyways, I was saying that I need to change my hairstyle, because I look really boring with this hairstyle. So as I said, my school journey has ended. I really love my journey, and I hope to love my another journey as well. My sister has just returned from school and she's tired, so I guess I'll just help her with something. And anyways, so I was saying that I'm hoping for a good college life ahead, and I suggest you all to just go with the flow and do your best in your exams, and don't dwell over too much on your marks. And yeah, I think my today random makeup session was nice. I like it, and I even shoot a video. So एक तीर से दो निशाने. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.